And welcome back to another video. As you guys can already tell by the title, I am linking up with TAYWAVY, boy Dante, and we are going to be slamming his Tesla. I know everything's gonna be on his channel. I figured I would give you guys some third party and hopefully as well some cool content. I got a couple tools, hopefully just to make the job easier, but we are on the highway. I'm about an hour away. Man lives super deep, so everybody go comment and tell him he needs to move like closer to Orlando. But yeah, we're gonna make our trek there. I got some grub on the way so that I can get energized and ready to attack this, and well, I'm ready for it. So I'll catch you guys in a couple once we are rolling up, and let's get the party started. And look where we are. Wow, Stance Garage? I'd say spaceship mode initiated, but we haven't thrown the coilovers on. I'll show you guys that in just a minute, but you know, letting him do his thing. This is his car, this is his video, him film, him everything. So we are we're gonna be the third party here today, and we're about to get started. So I'm excited. We'll get some words from Tay in a minute, and we'll get it going.
That shit's gonna shoot out. I already feel it, or something's gonna drop hard. Bruh.
Danny just pulled up and we are starting to get the rear off. Pretty simple, easy design. You got the normal strut that just goes down here, and then it's a two-piece coilover. So you got the spring bucket. We just got to loosen the spring bucket a little bit more so it can go down. Take the spring off, and then he ended up going with BC. So big ballin' out, lowest, most first static cambered Tesla in the works. Here we are on the stock side, strut. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna take you along. I'm doing some filming for him. I'm doing some filming for me, some cinematics and stuff, and yeah, I guess we'll see what we got going on over here.
Yeah, you see how big the motherfuckers are? Yeah!
That's a baby.
Well, that's a nice shirt.
You know what I'm saying?
Outside.
W shirt.
Has to be.
I don't know.
Unless you got like sway bar links and bullshit, then we're fucked. But...
And there's no sway bar.
Oh, there isn't?
No, sir.
Oh, we're chilling.
Like this. Don't hit the wires, Tay. Don't hit the wires.
What wires?
These wires over here.
Oh, you guys. Damn, what the fuck? Electric suspension. I'll hold it up.
That's it.
Yeah. You gotta spin the bit. Like that? Yeah.
They're not.
Oh. www Danny the cameraman listening.
Oh shit, I didn't know.
www. They're all saying
Wow.
W stream. Nigga, what they fucking
W stream?
W's.
Oh, it's W? Okay. Alright, bet. Let's see.
Let's see.
Take two.
Take two. Attempt number 2.
This is definitely gonna be much lower though. You can see it.
F-150 fit me?
Oh my god. We're gonna need a break. We're gonna need something for the jet. Alright.
Yo, it's probably gonna stop at the jack.
That's what I'm saying.
Hopefully.
I see some tug.
That's monster truck! Max, no springs.
No springs.
No springs.
No springs.
No springs.
Well, wait, the jack is all the way down. Oh, can you not?
Oh wait, hold on. Wait, no, never mind.
It's on the
take
jack?
that back. It's on the puck.
We gotta put wood down.
It's on the puck. It needs to be on the wood.
Solid chalk.
That's monster truck.
What y'all think, chat?
monster.
What y'all think, chat? Oh yeah, it's definitely monster.
That's monster truck, bro.
Yo, that's how that guy's on 20s. Because 20s would be like fender to lip with this.
It'd be like 2 inches in diameter, bigger all around.
That's monster truck. We're gonna have to just run spring.
No.
Damn. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be low now. That's all right. So, for you guys that don't know, no spring. Strut is almost maxed out, so this is like the max low that we could do.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the lowest we can go.
This is the lowest we can go with these coils. So, if this isn't low enough, no suspension.
no suspension.
Dead ass. Okay, let me see.
Moment of truth.
Bet. That's no, stop fucking playing with me, bro. Stop Stop playing with me, bro.
My bad.
All right,
They're not fake Crocs.
All right, now
How do you crease your Crocs?
this is about to be low. This is gonna be low now. All right, everyone prepare themselves. Wait, actually, let me prepare this car before she goes rolling
Is the
back.
other side lowered already?
Yeah.
Jack up just the wheel. I mean, yeah, we could do that. No, we don't have an extra jack. No, we don't have an extra jack.
I think you're gonna have to put more underneath the tire.
More under the tire. We'll see.
We'll
Family
see.
Dollar Crocs. Nigga got strapless Crocs.
Here we go.
Sub up, bro.
Here we go.
Is it gonna be that low? Oh, we're tugging tire. Oh!
Oh my God! No, that's too low.
Oh my God!
No, that's fire. That's perfect. That's perfect. There we go.
This is what we wanted.
Nah, that's
boy.
perfect.
I've been said it, bruh.
That's perfect.
Yes, yeah. WWW.
Obvious?
Ain't no way.
Wait, hold on. This is not good because we're not max.
And it's not even. Oh, it's
No,
even
it's
all the
not
way.
max,
It's
bro.
not even all the
You're gonna have to jack it up, and we'll put more under the tire. That's probably good. That's good.
W right height?
Bruh.
No codes on the screen. No nothing.
Close, nothing.
Yo, that's low.
With the fake Crocs?
Bro, look.
Yeah, nah, it's low. That's perfect.
Super unnecessary ass bulbs. Okay. Is that everything? Boom. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay. Boom.
W. There's no
Oh,
cables?
Wait, hold on. This is connected. The
Oh, the light.
We're about to yank that shit out.
Right.
This thing can't fit.
L socket.
L sock. Well, no, L Tesla.
car.
L car. This is unbelievable. So here we have the drill bit. It's not the grinder, but you know, it's better than the grinder. Definitely
Watch
better.
the nut, bro.
Yeah. No. Oh yeah, we'll be here all day. That's not happening. That's not happening.
Yeah. I don't even be knowing. Let's just try it. And if it's like still nowhere close.
Yo,
then
Logan, this is who it is, bro.
Oh, hey Josh. And while I got a couple minutes real quick, figured I'd let you guys know what we got going on. So Danny is heading out and they are fixing his bumper. Mechanic Tay to the rescue. He got a little while to get, but the front, as you guys saw, is a 13 thin wall socket. We have thin walls, to our understanding they're thin walls, they're not impact sockets, and it still won't fit. So we're gonna go and hit Lowe's, gonna go try and get a thin wall 13, and if that does not work, then we'll probably end up shaving that down anyways. But there you go. Sun is going down. Luckily it's in the garage anyways, so we'll get somewhat of a light, and he has like a giant light stick, so we should be fine. But we want to get it done tonight, so that's why we're running some errands. We're all hungry, gonna get some grub, gonna eat up, and then hopefully come back here and we'll be able to knock it out. So been a long process, but you know, the whole rear took the long time just because we were trying to get ride height. It's not that it took long to do it. We actually did one side in probably like 20 minutes and it was not very hard, but we just kept wanting to try spring with the perch at a different height, no spring, different sizes or different heights on the actual strut. And so yeah, that's why it took so long. But rear really was not that bad. Front is now giving us an issue just because we cannot get off the top hat. It's dumb, it's real simple, but almost at the point where it's like just grab a hole saw, make a hole just on top a little bit bigger so that we can fit a socket in. But you know, it's a new car, try not to drill as much holes as we can. So I'll catch up with you guys, I guess, after we get some grub and yeah, get back to the Tesla.
So we went to Lowe's. Lowe's didn't have it, right? Then we ended up going to Advanced Auto, and they luckily had this like thin, deep socket. We don't know if it works yet though, so we're gonna see. Hopefully it does. This is the one we didn't cut? Okay, let's all say a prayer. Hold on.
Yeah.
Please swear, please swear. Yes, sir! Oh my god, I got scared. Yeah,
Yo,
it
me
worked.
too.
It's tight though, it's so tight.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
It worked.
That's okay. If we gotta tap it in with the hammer or
that's
something,
fine, that's good.
I'm with that.
That's good.
You see, I got some energy up now.
Yeah, now we're good. Now we're good. Okay, now we can get shit done. Fuck.
I'm with it.
No way, Logan. It's not a 13. Logan.
What the fuck you mean? You just put it on.
Logan.
And they said 13, bro. It's 100% a 13.
Logan. It's not a 13.
Put it on that. Put it on that. It is a 13.
It's not.
Every single forum says 13.
Bro.
Because remember, 12 fit in there, but wouldn't fit.
Why is it this one fitting? And then she didn't reply to him.
Yeah.
That's not El Riz. She's weird. Okay.
So
That back
Potentially.
bolt is not tight.
What back bolt?
The bottom.
Could do that after.
Can I?
Yeah.
From here?
Yeah.
Alright, fuck it. We'll just.
someone said they'll do it for you for 150.
150!
Clears?
See ya. It's time for a moment of truth. Everybody, it's time for the moment of truth. We went an inch and like a half lower.
You could.
Hit all the rings out, all the rings, you see?
Yeah.
It's crazy. This is how much lower we went, technically.
I'm probably in the
Right?
background. Am I in the background?
It's fine.
You sure?
That's how much lower we went, I think. Or a little bit lower, honestly. This is how much lower we went, chat.
2 audiences.
Bet?
Three audiences.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, Tesla.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Someone said Tesla's gonna have all the lights on the dash.
Probably will
What
after
dash?
this. Oh my god. That's fire! I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. That's not on the floor, but that's fire.
You gotta remember this.
I think once we put it on the floor, it's gonna be lower than we think it
once both
is.
sides are done, it's gonna be lower than I think.
100%.
This is low.
Sorry, guys.
100%.
Chat, look, hold up. We're gonna take it off the brick. We're gonna take it off the wood.
Bruh. Yo, that's close to like rocker. Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on. It's still on the puck. Oh fuck, it's on the puck. So this isn't right height. This isn't right height. Oh, on the floor. Tesla. Don't even know if it drives yet, right? All right, here we go.
Countdown.
Here we go. Ah! God damn, Logan.
Just loosen it.
All right,
There you go.
here we go. Ride height. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Remember, it's on brakes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's way too low. Holy shit. No turn radius. GG's.
On 18s.
On 18s too. Wow. Holy crap. How are we gonna drive? Is it gonna be able to back up? Oh my god. That's. It might be a little clearance, but I don't know how much, honestly.
Everyone's saying W.
We'll test it.
Nah, it's definitely hella clearance. It's hella clearance. We're bugging. I'm bugging. This is mad clearance. But it's like cushion. It's weird. Oh, but it's still on the puck.
Damn.
You gotta add more brick.
We might have went too low. Oh my god, if we get stuck, it's over. If we get stuck, it's over, bro. It's over. Alright. Side skirt view? Side skirt? This is a side skirt view. Side skirt view. Side skirt view, chat. This is what you guys wanted, right? Yes. It's on the fucking floor. It's on the floor. Okay? Yeah, it's on the ground. It's on the ground. Monster truck? No, that's crazy comment. Shit. Pretty high? Yo, you guys are fucking drunk. Alright, Steph. Alright, this thing is floored, guys. It's floored. Hold on, let me give them a walk around real quick. This thing is floored. Before we go out, I want to show you guys. No, show them tomorrow. What?
In the daylight.
Hold on, I want to just show them side skirt height. Side skirt height. from the ground. You guys can see what we're working with right here. This is literally floored. It's probably gonna scrape coming out of here. Pray for me. Definitely gonna scrape. Yeah. It's floored. Floored. Very floored. Here we go. Here you go. Oh my god, I'm scared. Logan. Talk to me, bro. Like, help me out. Like, say, like, yo, it's gonna be okay.
No, it'll be okay. Just hit a little gas real quick. My bad. Hit a little electricity.
Closer? With my phone?
Oh, your phone?
Yeah.
Just give it a couple voltage. You know what I mean?
This shit feels weird. Alright. Why is the car not going in gear? Yo, it's dead ass not going in gear.
Oh my god.
Like dead
It's
ass.
not going into gear. You got it?
It's like malfunctioning, dead ass.
What does that mean? It's
Hold
doing.
Go forward. I mean, you backed it up.
This is like glitching.
Turn it off and back on.
You tried putting it in rice?
I don't know if it was because of my key. What? Alright, here we go. That was weird. That never happened logically. We should just put the wood. I had to think logically. That was no, bro.
The wood?
I had to, cause like I was about to drop and I thought about it and I was like, there's no, yo Logan, I can't, bro. Let's put the wood. Be safe. There we go. Right
Yeah.
off the wood.
Nice.
Right off the wood. That's it.
Nice little slope.
That's it. Nice little slope, calm. You know, don't gotta go jumping down the fucking big ass little steep little thing right there. Okay.
Now
That
go
good?
go
Now we're
time.
good.
Go time.
Now we're good. Just make sure it goes on that wood, Logan, on that side.
Yeah. I got you.
90 seconds. You just gotta send it.
Oh, camera is?
Yes.
Oh shit. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, you're good.
Here we go. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. What was that?
Oh, just send it.
Yeah, turn a little bit, yeah.
What was that?
Tire.
How am I with wood? How am I with wood, Logan?
You're good.
You're good over here.
Wait, how am I with wood?
You're good.
I'm about to hit the GTI.
You can turn.
Is it gonna...
You want to go
GTI
forward?
though.
You want
I'm
go
gonna have to
forward
go
some.
forward.
Let me move this wood.
Yeah.
Damn, this front bumper looks like
You're good.
even lower.
It does?
You're
Yeah.
good.
Oh my god.
Send it.
Oh my god.
You're out.
My sensors are going off.
Because of the GTI, you're close.
All right, come up some. Turn left.
Am I off everything?
Yeah, you're off everything.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here you go.
Oh my god.
Here,
Oh my god.
Here.
Oh my god, this shit looks crazy. Bro, it feels weird. It feels like so weird. Like honestly, when I just backed up, I felt like the rear tilt. Like it felt like, like it was just like not stable. That shit's gonna ride like ass. Ass.
You gotta get closer.
Go ahead, let's see.
Ready?
Yeah. Wow. Damn, W light. Holy fuck. W light. All right, hold on. You guys, so you guys got to see the low though. You guys got to see the low. Yeah! Look at the GTI. Look at the wait, no, the GTI doesn't have the wheels on, but holy crap! Side skirt. Just look at 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 side skirt. Oh my god.
Bro, that thing bouncing down the street is gonna be mental.
Holy fuck. And this is, this is 18s with big ass tires. Big ass tires right here. Oh my god, bro. Listen, chat.